So what I like to do is I like to use this book. Just make sure you can see that. English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. I find it very useful. It's a very good book. We're going to look at using the past continuous and the past simple together. It sounds very easy. It is very easy. But it's very important. It's the past simple and the past continuous are the most common tenses we use when we're telling a story. If somebody asks you what happened, you're probably going to use a lot of past simple and past continuous. So it's very important that you can do it correctly. On page 13 of Grammar in Use, we have 3 stories. They're very short stories. What we'll do is we'll go over them one by one. All you need to do is use 2 tenses, past simple and past continuous. So the first verb has already been done. I saw. I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she not see me. She look the other way. Now, those verbs in the book are in the base form, the infinitive, the 原形. You need to change them. Past simple or past continuous. Okay, I'm sure you've got it correct. I saw Sue in town yesterday, but she didn't see me. She was looking the other way. Easy, right? Okay, now let's stop. Because easy does not mean you cannot learn anything. Let's go over this. We know that past simple verbs happen in the correct order. 一步的. What happened first? Well, first, I saw Sue. What happened next? Okay, next, she didn't see me. Why? Because she was already looking the other way. She began looking the other way before I saw her. Can we say, I saw Sue in town, but she didn't see me. She looked the other way. Can we use past simple? Can we say past simple, past simple, past simple? Yes, we can. And the grammar is perfect, but the meaning is completely different. What does it mean if we say, I saw her, she didn't see me, she looked the other way? What does that mean? It means she hates me. She does not like me. Why? Because first I saw her, then she didn't see me, then she looked the other way. You can see how important it is to get your tense right, right? The thing with past simple tense, the person listening to your story does not know if you are right or wrong, because the past simple tense almost always sounds correct. So if you get your story wrong, if you use the wrong tense, maybe nobody will know that you said the wrong thing, and they will misunderstand what you were trying to say.